How to automate tasks in Shopify using Shopify Flow. Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, I'll show you how to automate tasks in Shopify using Shopify Flow. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any steps. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tutorial Lore. Now, let's get started. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to the Apps section. If you haven't installed Shopify Flow yet, click on Shopify App Store, search for Shopify Flow, and install it. Once installed, open the Shopify Flow app. Here, you'll see a Create Workflow button. Click on it. Shopify Flow works with triggers, conditions, and actions. Triggers, these are events that start the automation. Click Select a trigger, and choose an event like Order Created or Customer Tagged. Conditions, these are optional but help filter when the workflow should run. Click Add Condition to set specific rules like order value or customer type. Actions, these define what happens next. Click Select an action, and choose tasks like sending an email, adding tags, or canceling high-risk orders. Once your workflow is set, click Turn on Workflow to activate it. Shopify Flow will now run automatically based on your setup. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next one.